Hello, everybody. It's Jean from DIY Resilience. I wish you safe, healthy, and happy wherever you are in the world today. My topic today is about the 3 C's of DIY resilience: calm, change, and care. So the good news is that if you're experiencing difficult or extreme emotions on a regular basis throughout the day, or just too often during your week, you can retrain or reprogram your brain, and the 3 C's will help you to do that, definitely. So let's get into it a little bit and see how the 3 C's, calm, change, and care, factor into you being on the road to better days.
So there are things you can do now and things it matters that you do consistently over time to pave the way for your road to better days. You will have to be compassionate and patient with yourself and practice to the point of complete calm daily and as often as difficult emotions arise. When stress or negative thoughts arise, your brain has a fight, flight, freeze, or fawn emotional reaction that impacts and ultimately damages our minds and our bodies if experienced too much over time. Our ability to see the big picture literally shrinks as our brain's way of protecting us against difficult situations. The amygdala is the part of the brain that reacts to danger based on recognized patterns and emotions, but it cannot think. Emotions do not think. So you have to stop that emotional reaction as soon as you see it. Stop it, put it in a jar, commit to calm, and look at those emotions later. Literally prioritize calm to give your brain a chance to think. There's a great video by SEL Sketches on how the brain works this way, and I'll put the link in chat for you to watch later.
So the most important factor in terms of our first C, calm, is to commit to becoming completely calm before you do anything else. You got to calm down that fight, flight, or freeze response before you're able to really think again and be able to move forward.
Now the next C is change, to learn and become more self-aware. Now this takes a little bravery and some hope. You have to stop that emotional reaction and learn about ultimately being able to tolerate difficult emotions, to become more self-aware of your vulnerabilities and how to manage or reverse them. UCLA says labeling emotions is the first step toward recovering better thinking. But you need to calm first, then label emotions. And you can do this by developing your ability to observe instead of react to the beliefs driving those emotions. Then you can gradually reshape your emotional landscape to stop fearing your fear, your sorrow, and so on. You'll likely need help to learn and practice these skills if you've never learned to calm and cope in your childhood, like most of us haven't.
Now, change can be felt as difficult for everyone because people are patterning, and it's difficult to break out of those patterns, or it feels a little uncomfortable, but you can do it. What's important in this step number 2, change, is that you develop the ability to observe what is causing those emotional disturbances, because if you can develop that sense of just being able to observe instead of react, then you're able to see what's really going on inside of you. And if you can see it, you can change it.
In step 3, care, we're focusing on the courage to act and the willingness to cooperate with emotional freedom so that we can keep a positive body mindset. Now, facing and processing difficult emotions is hard, but so is life itself, and learning helps relieve stress and build confidence. Relief is felt the minute you take action. Replace old negative thinking with positive self-talk or redirection, and stay focused on your goals. Celebrate after facing down an emotion or situation, Work hard, but rest harder. It matters that you don't take this for granted. It also matters that you have goals you are actively working toward, keeping your mind focused on filtering in the good, regardless of setbacks or temporary failure.
So for step 3, care, you're keeping all your attention on developing your positive body mindset, filtering in as much good as possible, and cooperating with your emotional freedom. You've got this. So I hope you got something out of this talk today on the 3 C's of DIY resilience. And I hope that the information that I provided you today helps you a little further on your journey to reduce stress and be on your road to better days. If you'd like some more information about key concepts in DIY resilience, I've got 5 free videos for you, and I'll put the link in chat. You take care now, and I'll see you again real soon.